everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira, and for today's video, I am jumping into the bandwagon and I am going to do... I tried following a blank makeup tutorial. And as you can probably tell by the title right now, I am going to be following one of Promised Phan's makeup tutorials. If you don't know, Promised Phan is, for me, one of the best makeup artists slash YouTubers out there because she does a lot of makeup transformations and she's really good at it. And I'm going to be doing a Bratz doll makeup transformation. So I'm gonna try my best to copy what she does and let's see how it goes. Okay, let's do this.
Hello everyone, today I am turning myself into a real life Bratz doll. This was
oh my god, how
perfect last minute Halloween look. So follow these easy makeup steps and with your glam outfit, you can finally become the Bratz doll your 10-year-old aspired to be. My first step always is making sure that the skin is evened out and flawless. I'm using Clinique's newest foundation and dabbing it.
Okay, nahulog yung blending sponge ko. First up is foundation. She used the Clinique whatever, and obviously I don't have that. So I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation because it's the thickest foundation I think I own. Sabay tayo mag-blend.
Go down the neck with this pink beauty blender. Oh, and I almost forgot, the brows are gonna be concealed, so I'm taking this out.
Wait lang.
Oh, and I almost forgot, the brows are going to be concealed, so I'm taking this Elmer's washable glue and just pressing it on until the hairs are nice and flat.
Okay, so I have my own washable glue stick right here. It's from BIC. I've had this like ever since high school pa lang ako. Hindi pa rin siya nauubos. So, it's my first time trying it on my eyebrows. I hope this works because I think I have thicker eyebrows than promised. Okay, it's not that bad. It doesn't really feel like anything. Okay.
Now I'm just applying the rest of the foundation.
Applying rest of foundation.
Next I'm taking
Wait lang! It's not working. Or sobrang walang kwento na yung glue stick ko. Wala, yan na talaga yun.
Active Propolis Cream Concealer from Hey Honey. And I'm applying it on my cheeks, which is technically my under eye today.
Cheeks daw. And high points of the face. This is already going downhill.
Then I'm brushing on a layer of powder foundation to keep everything in place.
Powder foundation. I'm going to be using my one and only Maybelline foundation cake powder something. Ano yan? Hindi natakpan eyebrows ko masyado. Guys, I tried my best to conceal my eyebrows pero hanggang dyan na lang talaga yan.
Makeup, but first I'm going to use the eyeshadow primer. This one is Photo Finish Lip Primer from Smashbox Cosmetics.
This one is from Urban Decay. It's the original eyeshadow primer potion. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, the struggle is real. Oh my god. Oh my god, ang dami ko nalagay. Pag siya parang dali-dali lang. Okay na yan!
Now you can do a lot of fun color combos for the eye makeup. I'm doing the start with purple and pink, so I'm applying it right underneath my actual brows.
Okay. I am using this Wet n Wild Petal Pusher palette. It's gonna use the purple one. Okay, purple. Kaya natin to. Yes. Alright. Nasaan yung brush ko? I'm gonna be using this color just under the real eyebrows.
Is a must when you do a Bratz doll look, so I'm taking a thick concealer and applying it to the upper half of my eye.
Wait, di ako rin mag-cut crease. How did she do that? Not bad. Not bad din ang itsura mo.
Once that's set, I'm going to take this hot pink eyeshadow from Makeup Addictions and sweep it on the center.
So I'm using this pink shadow from the That's Heart palette.
The lower lash line, I'm going to draw on my cartoon eyes. I got this cool idea from Miss K Max from Instagram.
I don't know what she used. I think she used some kind of face paint and I don't have that. But I do have this white eyeliner pencil from NYX. Oh my god, sana maayos to.
On the lower lash line, I'm going to draw on my cartoon eyes. I got this cool idea from BIC Max from Instagram. So even when I open my eyes, it's gonna look like it's part of the cartoon eye.
Yan.
Then I'm gonna make the
Wait lang! Yan? Siyempre hindi. Oh god. No.
Half circle starting literally from the lash line. You can also add some brown and yellow if you want more dimension.
So I think she used green here kasi maglalagay siya ng green contact lenses. But since I don't own any contact lenses, I'm just going to be using black eyeshadow. So I guess I'll just take this. Okay. Whew, sabi niya, half circle underneath the eye. Bale, kukontour lang natin yung eye bags ko. Lang akong raccoon eh. Ano ba yan? Oh my god, I'm so sorry kung malabo yung mga previous clips. Okay.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some shading, especially around the whites. Shading is just gonna make it look more realistic.
Wait, ang dami niyang ginawa. Shading. Yes, shading. Very archy. Parang may pa... Huh?
Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some shading, especially around the whites. Shading is just gonna make it look more realistic.
Dito sa gitna. Tapos mayroon din pa ganun.
This part is all...
Okay, wait lang!
Part is all about outlining. So I'm taking NYX Cosmetics black liner and lining my upper lash line just like how you would normally do your eyeliner.
I'm going to be using the Bobbie I Love It Felt Tip liquid eyeliner because it's the best one I own, even if it's like so cheap. Just like how you would normally would though. So, okay, tapos may cat eye here. Oh my god. Ganyan? 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 Okay, around the white. Ang kapal nun. Also the iris. Oh my god, I can start to see the Bratz doll in me. Oh my god. 2 minutes 30 seconds pa lang nakakalipas sa video niya. Isang oras na nakalipas in real life.
Also, don't forget to line the cut crease area.
Line the cut crease area. Kaya natin to. Oh my god. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, medyo winged out yung dulo.
Black Beauty blending crease brush from Burrless and apply some more purple on the outer corners. This is gonna make the eyes look more pulled up.
Okay, purple.
To help with the eyes.
Puti ko na ipas yung mirror. Ano ba yan?
Twinkle, I'm going to draw a giant dot on the iris.
Hanggang dyan lang kaya ng skills ko. Okay, anyways.
Making the long, luscious lashes on the top and also on the
lashes
side.
na. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tatlong mahaba. Okay. Kaya ko ba to? We'll find out. Tama ba? Oh my god. Oh, tama. Yan. Mukhang kamay ni Wolverine. 1, 2, 3. Bakit siya mukha ng Bratz
Do the
doll?
brows,
Ako
I'm going
hindi.
to take Shell's eyebrow pencil in Elegant Ebony. This is great for natural brows, but right here I'm using
Brows. So, medyo parang naka-curve na gano'n. Kaya natin to. First, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fashion Brow Burr. Kasi ito, wala na. Wala na pala eh. Walang nangyari. Ito na lang, Mary Kay. Yan. Okay. Oh my god, that looks so bad. Okay, then I'm going to be using this eyebrow thing from K Palette. Since meron siyang liquid part. Parang mali. Parang hindi siya eyebrows.
Last step for the eyes is mascara. I'm taking Tarte's Deluxe Lifted Sweatproof Mascara and just blending the lashes.
Sa kanya, ang ganda.
So Bratz dolls, their noses are really teeny tiny.
Super liit dapat ng nose. Good luck na lang sa
and also shape the nostrils.
Wala nangyari pero. So for the lip liner, I'm going to be using Vice Cosmetics Pony.
Definitely my favorite part. I'm using a dark mauve lip liner and extremely overlining around my actual lips. And to fill in the whole lips, I'm going to take Rimmel London's Lasting Finish by Kate
Right,
Nude collection
not
in
the
shade
same
47.
shade. Tapos lagyan natin on top ng slightly darker dapat. Ang kadiri. Although this is still not the same shade.
Then I'm going to top it off with this pink ultra glossy.
Probably shouldn't have put lipstick on my face up at the lips lang.
I also applied a glitter lip topper and I was amazed. It made it look more 3D. For the hair, I'm actually going to be layering wigs because Bratz dolls, they have really thick hair. So this is the first wig and then here is the second one.
I don't have wigs, so I would just use my natural hair color.
Necklaces, earrings, and my favorite, the sunglasses.
Okay, so I'm just gonna accessorize and stuff and I'll be right back.
And here I am, completely transformed into the super fab and sassy fashion doll. Probably brought back childhood memories for some of you. Anyways, happy Halloween, and I'll see you dolls really soon.
Okay guys, sobrang struggle to get here. But finally, I am done with the makeup look. To be honest, it's not that good. Pero parang kapag malayo naman, okay naman. So, layogenic tayo today. I think I'm really bad at like overlining my lips because I don't do that. So, ang pangit ng lips. Pero, I think if I try to do this again, kaya ito eh. Kaya yan. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely had fun trying to redo the makeup look because it's definitely something out of my comfort zone. But anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!
If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me. If I was you, I'd wanna be